Hi, this is Gregory. Today I'm putting up a real quick video on bank foreclosure home listings. The concept itself sounds fantastic, but on the same side you've got to think about the misery that's brought to other people as well who have actually lost their home. And so when looking at these bank foreclosure home listings, we need to look at a couple of key areas to make sure that we are actually getting value in the property that's being shown to us by these banks. You see, the first thing you need to talk about is obviously the bank. Now, obviously, at the moment, they're very, very friendly. They are wanting you to take on this new property at a certain price, increase your debt levels, and they are very, very encouraging for you to do that. But you need to understand how that bank operates, what their policies are like, what their foreclosure policies are like, to see that should a problem arise with yourself down the track, what legal rights you have against this bank, and what their attitude is towards people who do come into some form of financial difficulty along the way. The other thing obviously you need to do is start looking at the property itself. Is the property in good repair? Does it need certain repairs done? Are those repairs major, or are those repairs purely cosmetic? How much is that going to cost? And what sort of extra value will that add to the property once those repairs have been done? Alternatively, is the property that you're buying within the area also consistent with other properties within that area? Again, you don't want to be looking at old rundown properties that are, for example, in a brand new area, because your potential resale market just won't be there. The other thing obviously you need to be doing is looking at the area in which the property is actually located. Now, is this property in an area that's got some great infrastructure? Is the government and the local councils, investing money back within the area in helping and improving community areas? Are they helping to contribute and develop infrastructure such as roads and schools and hospitals and all those kind of things that's necessary for a community to survive? And finally, you need then to sit down with a real estate agent and get an understanding of the values of similar properties that have sold within that area in a very recent time, preferably within the last 30 to 90 days. Ask them for a comparative market analysis. They'll only be happy to give it to you, and because they also have the opportunity then to sell you a different style of property. So if you start looking at those basic things, you'll soon be able to determine whether or not this bank foreclosure home listing that you're currently looking at is really a bargain and is really right for you. I hope that's been of some help. You have a great day. Let's catch up real soon.